Hello guys, welcome to the Wow Family channel. Today we are going to make a tech DIY hack. In this lockdown scenarios, we are facing unprecedented times, and you must be surprised to see why I am shooting in such a low light environment. The reason to this is the uh, tube light in this room has blown off, and I am going to show you a very simple 5-minute hack uh, for it to get repaired or to be repaired. And let's get started. Okay, let's check the tube light. I'll switch it on and see whether it's working or not. No, it's blown off. You can see first edge and the second edge, and there are two filaments, one at this side and the other one at that side, and one of these is blown off, and due to which the connection is not getting established and it is not working. So we will see which edge is more black, and that will tell us the point where it has blown off, which side filament has blown off. So we'll take this tube light off and then we will see how to repair. We have taken the tube light out of the holder and we have placed it comfortably on a table. For this hack we just need 3 instruments: plier, which is insulated and has insulated handles, a tester or any screwdriver, which will be useful, I'll show further, and a very basic a wire which has copper strands inside. So you'll just need 3 items, and let's proceed to the next step. Take the wire and remove this outer covering, which is a plastic coating, and what you will receive or what you will see inside are pure copper strands inside, or thin wires. I have stripped them out at the other end, and what you can see over here are loose strands. You have to just wind them up in this way so that they form a very strong single strand, and we have to just cut it from this side. So I have taken out the wire out of this black wire, and this is how it will look like. We'll have to fold it from 2 ends, this way and the other one this way. It should look like a loop. Don't close the loop or don't tie it, just leave it as it is. We will see how to put it in next step. Okay, we have taken this tube light out from the holder, and you can see these are the 2 terminals, and if you look very closely from this transparent glass, you will see a filament inside. Similarly, on the other side also you will see the same situation, 2 terminals and the filament inside. You can see this is more black compared to the other one. See, this is white, right? So we'll have to see which one is white and which one is black. The one side which is white or black, we'll have to short it. We'll put this loop on the 2 terminals on this side, and we will fastly secure it and make sure it is perfectly locked like this. You will have to adjust it using a screwdriver or a tester or with hands to make sure that it doesn't lose the contact. Basically the whole idea is to short these 2 terminals. Okay, you can see we have securely locked this wire so that both the 2 terminals are short. It's just a hack, so firstly I am trying on this side. If it didn't work, I'll try on the other side. I have been using another tube light which got fused in April, and I have used the same hack and it is working till date. So once I was satisfied with that hack, then only I am proposing it to you all. Let's move on and check this tube light whether it is working or not on the same tube light holder. Let's go there. So I have placed the tubelite in the holder, and as you can see the switch is still off. I'm going to switch it on and test whether our hack has worked or not. So let's see, and voila, it worked. The tubelite has started working, and I hope this will give a breather to lot many guys who have been throwing out the fuse tube lights. And it is a very simple 5-minute hack with a small piece of wire and a little bit of knowledge. So I hope that it will help you a lot and will save you money. It is 40 rupees a piece, at least in these tough times when we don't have to go outside. It will save you from going outside. It will save you money, and you can use this tubelite for a longer run. If you have enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, motivate us and tell us what more you would like to hear from our side. Until then, bye bye, take care.